how to change your signature in Outlook. In order to change your signature in Outlook, simply open your browser and log into your Outlook mail account. And once you're logged into your Outlook mail account, this is the interface that you will be able to see. Now what you want to do from here is, you want to just click the gear icon from the top right hand side, which is the settings icon you can see here, which will take us to this particular pop-up menu, from where you can select the option called account from towards the top left, and from account you can select the option called signatures. If you've already added a signature, you can set default for new messages, and using this drop down menu you can change it. If you only have one signature, you can add another one by clicking on this add signature option and designing your signature in a way that you like it. I won't get through this in detail, but assuming you do have a signature, you save it, and now you can click on this drop down menu to change the new signature for new messages and for replies and forwards as well. This way you can change your Outlook signature. Hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.